Hello there and welcome to the tutorial on how to use the Know-How System Repair Tracker. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open up the application. So as you can see we're on 2.1 here. This will be the version you have in your system. When you open it up, if you just click on open and you get a disclaimer, read through the disclaimer. I've not wrote it because I'm bored, I wrote it because it's actually important to read. Once you've read it once though, you can just click enter. Load up the booking system. So this is the bit that we're looking at here. Now this controls all the bookings for third parties. Now to begin with, it may look a little confusing, but if you look down on the left hand side, we've got all bookings, manufacturers, products, help and exit. So we'll be looking at these main three, which are all bookings, manufacturers and products, just to clear it all up so it doesn't look confusing for you. Help will be where this little video is that I'm making. So if I click on it now, there's actually nothing there, and if you click on the different buttons, it loads up the different pages. But first of all, let's have a look at all bookings. So the purpose of this is to be able to book the third-party repairs in through the manufacturer, and we can create a new repair, we can edit an existing repair, we can print all the repairs that we're currently doing, or we can look at all repairs over 30 days old. So we'll be looking at that in just a second, but first of all, when we go to book a new repair in, you need to make sure you've already, and I stress this out, you must make sure you've already booked the item in for repair, because when you click on new, we need the booking ID. So first of all, let's make a booking ID up. So let's say KRZ 4785 blah blah blah. Eclipse reference number. This is a reference number linking it to our Eclipse system. Again, important you put this in so we can actually find the repair once it comes back. So 40859. Yep, make that one up for example. Customer name. Not Booby. Bobby Smith. Okay, manufacturer. As you can see here, we've got a list of manufacturers. Now the reason we've done this is to make sure that all manufacturers are spelt correctly. So for example, if I type in here Zeus, it won't let me do it because it's not in the list. So you have to make sure it's in the list. So let's go for a Asus. Model, again the exact same. You can't put a model that isn't on the list. So what we're going to do if the model is on the list, well, for example, let's close this and go to manufacturers. Under here, now I've not added every single manufacturer we do. This will be down for the know-how agents to do collectively over some point. If you click on new, we can add a new manufacturer in, and you can click on save and then close. Products, exactly the same. Click new product, we can put the model number in. So let's make one up. So ZUK QHB 56Z. Manufacturer, we'll have that by Apple. Product name is the iPad 47 900 GB. Yes, I have just made that up. Once I've done that, if I click on add and then close, if I go off it and come back on it, there you go, look, number 4, which is my iPad just there, which I've just added in. So now, if I go to bookings, I go to book a new booking in, and we'll make all this up again, just bear with me a second. Bobby Smith. Manufacturer, it was Apple. Model, if I have a look, it was ZUK. Serial number of the device, and booking date, which we'll set to today. So as you can see there, and if I save it, I can then close it, and if I go off it and back on it, you can see there, Bobby Smith has been added up here rather. I used that name earlier, but it has been added up here, and then it's green. So if it's green, it means it's within 20 days. If it's amber, it's out of its 20 days, and if it's black it means it's way over 30 days. It'll turn red if it's bang on its 30th day. Once it's been completed and it's back for repair, we'll just click on completed, and that's it, done. You don't have to do anything else to it. Once you're happy that you've used the application for now, just click exit. It'll save it all and close it all down. That's been the walkthrough / tutorial. It has been rather quick, but if you have any questions you can always ask Aaron. Thank you.